Welcome back to my garage. I'm hoping to actually weld everything together this weekend. I've been doing some stuff off camera. Amongst others, I welded this because I turned it slightly crooked. It was not straight when I put it up in the lathe. But now it's nice and straight, so I welded it and then I turned it again on the lathe, so now there's no gap here. What's remaining before I can start welding is I need to put in some grooves that my weld beads are going to be in, and a bit of cleaning of course, but that's really about it. But if you see here, there are some pin holes there, like locating pins, such as this one. So there's 2 holes between every cylinder to line it up, I guess. So I'm planning on using those holes, but the problem is I have 6 holes in total, like 2, 4, 6, but I only have 2 pins in total. They are here and here, I think. So I'm going to make some new pins here. I'm going to use an old drill bit, 5mm, that just slides right into the hole, or presses into the hole in other cases. So where did my drill go? There we go. So yep, going to cut up this drill, make a couple of pins. I have some more 5mm drills there that I can use. So I think I can get maybe 3 pins out of this, and I need 4. So yep, let's go cut up some pins. So now I have nice rounded edges there. So there's the pins. Let's see if they fit. Like these holes actually aren't lining up. It's not going in, at least not both at the same time. So I guess I'll go with just 1 pin in every one of them. This one already has one, but this middle one doesn't. There we go, that's in there. So next up, need to put some grooves in the joints here. So I'm going to be putting grooves here and here and here and here and on the other side, and some small grooves on the inside. I've been experimenting a bit with what works best, and it seems like on the inside it's easiest to just try and melt everything together without adding any filler material. So the only task these welds have is to seal the crankcase, and for me it looks like it's easier to just melt everything together, don't have to mess with filler. But but we'll see how it goes. The problem is when I weld the inside I can't have my sturdy bar in place, so I'm a bit afraid that it might warp somehow. So we'll see if we end up welding the inside or if I'm just going to use JB Weld to seal it. I've been testing JB Weld in methanol and it looks like if there's a small enough gap then it seems to work fine, and it's cleaned properly and everything. So, but we'll see. We'll see that tomorrow, I guess. So yep, I'm gonna go have dinner now, and after that I will make the V grooves and do some preparing. I'm going to start cleaning the parts separately with a lot of heat and trying to get as much oil and crap out of the castings as possible, because this stuff is really full of oil, and as soon as you start welding the oil just comes pouring out everywhere, making it really hard to weld, especially for a noob like myself. Okay, so to bevel the edges here I am going to use my air grinder, and no oil because I don't want it to get any dirtier, and if needed I'm going to use whatever this is called, with a new pad that I haven't used on anything other, or that I haven't used on anything yet. So yep, here we go. So this is what it ended up like. I think this will be fine. I think that's it. So let me get you over to this side. So this is what it looks like now. So now we just need to heat the crap out of this thing. Actually, I'm going to put some bolts in those holes as well. I'm gonna do that off camera because I think you've seen enough bolt action. Okay, so as you can see, the crankcase is too large to fit in my oven. So I'm going to use the whatever they are called. Try to put some heat in it. I'm just going to let it warm up for a bit now. And we'll see how that goes. It's getting there. This infrared thermometer isn't liking the shiny surfaces too much. So I can promise you that it's a lot hotter than 45 degrees. And this is Celsius, of course. Give you a reading in Fahrenheit too. I'll go back to proper units. Going to let it sit just a little bit longer. It's been warming up for about 1.5 hours now. So maybe another hour or something. Can get some dinner meanwhile. So yep, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I think everything is hot enough, so I'm gonna get started.